Hello there, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is where we left off, and now we are going to be working on the linen closet. And here we are, freshly painted door, mess of a linen closet. So last year I really put a lot of work into painting and putting in new shelves, and then also having the bins and starting out the organization. Now, the organization system that I set up actually does work. I just haven't been putting the items back where they need to go. So today we are just going to totally redo the linen closet. We're just going to take everything out, reorganize it, and style it back up. And we are going to make sure that we pay more attention to when we take items out, that we put them back in the proper spots. So if you remember from yesterday when we were discussing preparing for guests, so this is one of the main things that we have to do. If you're going to be having any guests that are staying over, or just in the home, they might need something out of your linen closet, and you do not want them to open up the door and see something like this. So it's just good to just take the time to just organize it. So I'm just taking everything out. I'm putting it in my room and also on the landing, and then I'm just quickly grouping all of the items and putting them in the proper spots. And then we're just going to try to balance off when we put things back, to make sure that everything is in an appropriate container, and then also laid out properly, so that at least we have some type of aesthetic looking space. Because honestly, when a space looks nice, it just makes you happy. Quite frankly, it makes me happy. So I like to just take the moment to just make sure that when I'm actually doing work, that it's pleasing to the eye as well. Let me know if you're like that as well. I mean, I'm not trying to go out and have it be Pinterest worthy, but I at least want to make sure, as I'm putting items back, if I'm putting in bins, that I disperse the bins in a way that visually is pleasing. So I know this looks like there was a lot more things in here than actually was. That's because everything was just thrown on top of it. So I'm just taking everything out, and then we're going to organize it much better. So I just want to thank you guys so much. Today is Vlogmas day 9, and we have been posting videos on a daily basis, and this is our 9th day, and I'm so happy that I've been able to keep up with it so far. We still have so much more to share, but I do think that I'm going to limit Vlogmas to 12 days. I'm still going to be doing my projects, but I am coming up on some projects that are going to be a little more lengthy, and also a learning experience on my side. I'm trying to do my primary bathroom over, just do a facelift in there. No major construction, but I am going to be trying to learn how to woodwork, and it's going to take me a little time to be able to figure that out. So once I'm able to finish the project or get a little further in the project, I am going to be sharing that with you guys. But I did just want to let you know, we are just going to go to the 12 days. So I hope that you guys enjoy. We still have 3 more days that we're going to be posting on a daily basis. So make sure that you share the video. It really does help. Even if you are watching, if you hit save, YouTube also sees that, you know, as a interaction. You can save it in your watch later, and you could share it with someone else. It would really help out my videos to getting back into the algorithm, which is very important for the growth of the channel. So thanks so much, guys. So here's a question for you guys. Are you opposed to putting items on the floor in your linen closet? I'm not. I like to put a lot of the bulky items down there. I have the large bin, which has paper towel and toilet paper. It's our surplus because, you know, the bathrooms are up on this floor, and it just makes it a lot easier to just be able to store it there. And then I also have some overflow cleaning products down there as well. I find if I have things in designated spots that it's just going to be easier for me to know where to put them back. So if they have to go on the floor and they're organized, I have no problem with doing that. At the end of the video, we are going to be sharing a quick project recap. It's just going to showcase 2 of our recent projects, and the playlist is going to be linked in the description in case you want to check those videos out. So now that we have everything placed where we want to have them in the linen closet, I'm just going to go and paint the inside of the closet door. I didn't do it the other day because I knew that I was going to be working in this space, and I just wanted to focus in on the outside of the doors the other day. So this is the last door that we have to do on the inside. So I'm just cleaning with a little Miss Myers cleaning. I think this is verbena scent. So we're just going to wipe it down, and then I'm going to give the doors 2 coats, and then we're going to go into how this space looks all finished. So I just want to thank you guys for joining me today on this video. I really do appreciate each time that you guys spend some time with me. I know that you could be doing something else, but you're choosing to spend the time with me, and I do greatly appreciate it. If you would like, please leave me a home emoji in the comments. That just shows your support. Or if you like to do a lengthy comment, please introduce yourself. Let me know if you're working on any projects or if you're going to start any in the new year. Until tomorrow, which will be Vlogmas day 10, I just want to wish you a blessed day.